ZANU-PF's Simbarashe Shoniwa, popularly known as Gweja, secured a decisive yet controversial victory in the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election on Saturday, winning with 703 votes. Zanapenda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino tichiona Gweja achiwina these elections. Akaonekwa kunzi ma-elections anga ane nharo. Taona ZANU-PF aiwa ichipa vanhu vemuthis ward vana wheat, marice nezvinhu zvakadaro zvinyatsonekwa nevanhu kuti this is vote buying. Zanapenda mashoko okuda panguva ino ZANU-PF ichisecure victory ichiwina. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. The result, however, was overshadowed by allegations of intimidation, vote buying, and apathy that kept turnout at a low 23.49%. Independent candidate struggle Desire Nyaunda came second with 192 votes, while another independent Prosper Taruvinga Tiringindi received 119. Former Councillor Tafara Masimba's wife, Tsungai Mandati, managed 58 votes. Out of 1,087 total ballot cast, only 4 were spoiled, reflecting the lack of enthusiasm among voters. The biggest casualty was Douglas Togarase Monzora, MDCT, was candidate Prosper Mataruse, polled a humiliating 11 votes across 9 polling stations, with some stations recording 0. Analysts said the collapse of MDCT support showed that the race was effectively between ZANU-PF and independents, raising questions about the shrinking space for alternative opposition voices. Insiders allege that ZANU-PF deployed its usual arsenal of patronage to coercion to secure Gweja's victory. In quotes, people were promised meal and money. Others were threatened with losing food aid if they didn't vote ZANU-PF, claimed one resident who refused to be named. Monzora's failure to back his own candidate only added to a drama. One frustrated member of Mataruse's campaign team said, Monzora should leave politics. He has failed as party president, especially in his lack of support for his candidate, unlike in the Epworth campaign. Critics note that while Shoniwa's win strengthens ZANU-PF's grip on Masvingo, the low voter turnout and widespread disillusionment expose deeper cracks in Zimbabwe's political system. Many residents reportedly stayed away from the polls, saying elections no longer bring meaningful change. For ZANU-PF, the Gweja win is a tactical gain for the opposition, especially Monzora's MDCT. It is yet another confirmation that the party has lost all relevance. Domashoko aripo panguva ine tiona aiwa ZANU-PF ichisecure victory. Kana kuma section medu dzimafungiro enyu muri kude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like